Ooh, that's a big one. Dude, that's a nice one.
Colin! What's going on, guys? My name is Colin.
My name is Luke.
And this is Ripple Up Fishing. What's going on, guys? So today Luke is with me and we're gonna be fishing in this pond that is super small. It's actually in the back of my neighborhood, so I haven't really fished it in a really long time. I know there's bass in here, but I just don't know how big they are or how small they are, and even if they're gonna eat our baits. So there's this pond, and then there's geese everywhere, so we have to watch out, make sure we don't hook those. And then there's another pond over there that we haven't tried yet. So yeah, we're gonna see how many bass we can catch. Hopefully we catch a lot. Well, yep, I hope so. I don't know for sure, but make sure you guys stay tuned to see how many fish we catch. Oh, dude!
Did you see that?
Yeah, I saw it. Do you have a leader on?
Did you see what I was doing?
Oh no, it was that Sharpie. Yeah, you were like, you were spinning it in, right?
No, I was doing like this.
Dude, he ate your tail.
Yeah, no, dang it, I was like, I was doing like
So now you have a Cinco.
Like what?
Are you serious?
I was doing like that. And then I felt something and I was like, oh, I hit a rock. And then I was like,
I saw him eat it. You're probably going to be able to see him eat it on camera. Oh, you got him again, dude. Got him.
did you see that?
Nice, Luke.
Same fish.
Good job, bro.
Thanks.
I like how you let him eat it for so long. Because if you would have swarped on him right away.
my tail.
Your tail! That
Here.
fish ate the tail off of that thing.
That little fish right there.
Nice.
He looks humongous. Go eat your tail.
See you later, dude. Alright, guys. So, I am going to go switch up. I have the E-Eliminator on right now. But Luke just caught a bass on a like Cinco type speed worm type deal thing. The fish actually ripped the tail off of the speed worm, so it turned into basically just a Senko, and then the fish came back and ate the Senko. So since they're biting on worms, I'm gonna use my wacky rigged Exo stick from Bayou Spawn. See if I get any bites on that. Fish stick.
Oh, yeah. I got him. Bring him in.
Alright.
Close.
Monster, dude.
Oh!
Nice. That's
There you
a
go,
monster.
dude. That's a monster, dude.
Biggest one I've ever seen.
Here, you want to release him or you want me to?
No, you can release him. You did the honors of catching him. See you later, buddy. Thank you. I got one, Luke. I got one. Nice.
Oh, I thought he came off.
Sweet.
Bigger than mine.
You think?
Yeah.
I think they're all
Oh,
pretty small.
That sucks.
Relax, bro. Hooked in the hat.
Oh no! I thought he was still on the hook.
Dude, he's
It's
gone.
right there. I thought he was still on the hook.
Dude, he went crazy
It's
and
on
he
your
hooked.
head, huh?
No, he hooked me in my hand. See that blood
Hold on.
right there? Come on, Luke. No, he came off. Dang it. I had him. I saw him like come off the rocks. I saw him like make a wave coming off the rocks trying to eat my worm, but he didn't take the whole thing, so that sucks. Come on, Luke. Got him. Sweet. I got another one, guys.
There
biggest one of the day. Please don't look me in that again, dude. Pretty good one, guys.
Yep.
And the Wacky Rig Exo stick. Nice.
Wacky Rig's paying off.
I know. That's number 2 for me. 3 total. Think I got one, Luke. Never mind. No, I don't.
No?
Nope. Yeah, I do. Yeah, he's got it. You got a little bit of size to him. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, that's a big one. Dude, that's a nice one.
Colin!
Bro, that's like a 2-pound bass.
I brought my scale.
Oh my God,
Or did
did
I?
you really?
No, I didn't.
Dude, oh, he swallowed it good, bro.
Dude!
Oh my God, bro. Chillax, bro. Dude, look at the mouth on that dude. That's like a 2 or 3 pound bass, Luke.
I say 2.5, pushing 3, maybe.
You brought your scale?
No, I didn't, I don't think. Dude,
Bigger bass.
my expectations are way higher now.
Bro, look how small this pond is.
Alright, so this
itty,
itty,
this kind of bass.
we come expecting to be catching like little itty bitty bass.
Honestly, I expected to catch 1 bass at the most. I know, dude. He's pretty good.
He's not
Look at
fat.
my thumb, guys. He literally beat up my thumb.
Alright, here you go.
Look at how big this bass is, guys. I'm pretty sure he's a 2 to 3 pounder, 2.5 maybe. Look at how small this pond is, guys. I mean, how can there be this monster bass in there? I'm gonna let this dude go. Oh my God, he looks so big in the water, bro. Alright, he's ready. Nice.
Oh!
That was crazy.
Put it there.
Alright, you guys, so after catching that big bass, and we cast it a few more times and we got a bunch of big bites, so we're going to go back home. We're going to get some more Exo sticks because I don't have any more. So we're going to go get some more Exo sticks. We're going to go get the scale, and we're going to go get Luke's GoPro so you guys will have something else to watch on them. Alright guys, so we made it back. We got the Senkos and the scale and everything. We've got Luke's GoPro. Luke's got his GoPro on now. So now we have 2 GoPros going at the same time.
Oh. There we go. Alright guys, so we just got one, hooked him in the cheek. I actually do need the pliers for this one. I'm using a small hook. Like that. We have a little fish.
Nice one, Luke.
Don't tell your friends. Got one. Oh, came off. Five in, how many misses? Well, you, like, what are we considering misses? Like, clear bites and miss hook sets, or actually like that? No, like I'm saying like that, like actually hook them. Alright, so we got 5 in a miss. Colin just got one. I was watching a video trying to fix his GoPro because his GoPro is broken, and he's catching them.
Alright guys, got an itty bitty one.
Smallest one of the day.
Yeah. On that Wacky Rig Exo stick.
Still have them? Colin is slaying them while I'm trying to fix his GoPro. You know what? We're just gonna use my GoPro because Colin is making me look like a fool. Okay, there you go. Boom. That's a little bit better one than the last one, but. Alright, here you go. I wanna.
That counts. Okay, we have 6, 7. All right, 5, 6.
Iron Man. 7 fish? Was that 2 casts in a row?
Yeah.
Oh, got one. Yep. Dude, he's actually pretty nice. Nice bass right there. His shoulders are massive. He's a pretty fish though. Alright guys, we're gonna get a release on this fish. Nice. Colin's got one. There we go, Colin. That's 9 on the board. I believe that's 5 for you, right? Yeah. And what do I say for me? That's not good math. 4 for me. Wait, where did I catch mine?
Pretty small one.
I don't even remember. Good job. So I caught the one I just caught.
One right here, you caught one over there. You caught
Caught one right here.
another one over here. I don't know. Look at it on the city.
You got one? Atta boy. Don't kill him.
Yeah.
Nice.
Been back. That's not bad at all.
That's actually not even close to bad. Alright guys, so we're out at the ponds again, and it's late evening. We have probably like 30 minutes left of daylight. The lighting is probably terrible. But yeah, so we're trying to get an evening bite. Oh, Colin's got one. Atta boy.
You can bite, guys.
Nice, Colin.
Pretty good one, guys.
Little bass right there. Almost fell in the pond, but that's okay.
You know it's true.